Okay, it's a bit of a long-winded one, this one, so I'm going to do it in two sections. This is all about changing your navigation bar to set it for the colours that you want and to do what you want to do with it. So the first thing we're going to do is edit navigation bar, and under appearance we get this here. Now if you want all your colours to stay the same across all buttons, you've only really got to edit one button. So we'll go to edit. On the background I'm going to insert a new shape. I'll just pop that on there like that, and then I can fill it with whatever colour I want, and you'll see that they all now update. On the down button, that means when the page is selected, what colour do you want it to go to, so you can select that by just drawing another button over the top. So pop that over there like so, and change it to the colour that you want, and now it means that when you are not on that particular page, it will be green, which is normal, and then when the page is selected, it means that it will be blue. If when you move your mouse over it, you want it to go a set colour, you can say set that, and we can set it to that colour. So if we now test it, we can see here, look, it goes blue when you're on it, and sort of an orangey pinky colour when you hover over it. So that probably will be enough. If you need to resize your buttons, this is where it gets a bit more complicated. You might need to have a look down here. So set your background, and let's say the buttons were 80 by 60. You can change them there, making sure that that's unclicked, so you can set it to the size you want. And you can see now it's changed the size. So for your background, you would now pull that over to there, double click here, and sorry, excuse me there, you can pull the blue down to cover the whole button, and obviously the hover button, just click that there, would be over like that. Okay, so now if we commit that, yes, that, you can now see it's changed the size of the navigation bar. Things like text and fill color codes and that, this here, you've got different fonts here. You can change the color of it by going to more colors, and then you can put your codes in. In this case it's not going to let me because I'm on the wrong bit, but you can change your fonts and your colors. Have a play about with that area there. Also, if you want to change the background color but you need to use one of the hashtag codes, simply click on the shape, go to format, fill, and then you've got your little hash key there where you can change the color depending on whatever code it's given you. So have a play about with that. It's a little bit awkward, but once you've kind of done it, it gets quite easy. If you need to change the borders, you've got things like that, sort of thicken your border and thin it and so on. But yeah, with this one it's just kind of a trial and error really.